Thank you for watching Lango's channel.
Some of my cabinet members spent more time quarreling with one another, fighting with one another. We are trying to deliver a message of hope for Uganda, but we have too much time to quarrel with one another. Honestly, do we know where we are, what we're doing? I am taking full charge of the affairs here in Uganda headquarters, Uganda House headquarters, and I will be assigning specifically duties to the members of cabinet.
The Uganda People's Congress Party President Jimmy Akena has dismissed 3 commissioners of the party electoral commission. Meanwhile, the chairman electoral commission of UPC has disqualified a presidential candidate, Denis Adim Enap, over misconduct. Thank you very much for watching Now News channel. I am Denis Ongora. Now let's look at the reasons for the disqualification of Adim and dismissal of 3 commissioners of UPC Party Electoral Commission. While addressing the press at the party headquarters in Uganda House, Kampala, on the 22nd of July, Akena said he relieved electoral commissioners from their responsibilities for overstepping their marks. The sacked members of UPC Party Electoral Commission include Vice Chairperson Jack Kabusu, Commissioners Magere Emmanuel and Aisha Naomi Natukunda over gross misconduct. The trio on Monday signed a certificate of declaration introducing city lawyer Denis Adim Enap to the Independent Electoral Commission as the sole candidate of UPC following the court ruling which blocked the nomination of Jimmy Akena for UPC party presidential bid for 2025 to 2030.
With the Green Reaper. But this particular instance, I had a long stare down with the Grim Reaper. And it made me to take a step back to analyze where I am, where things are, and to put things in a different perspective. In that analysis, I decided to take a step back and I let my cabinet handle things fully. I did not interfere with anybody's work. I gave them all the authority to do all they are supposed to do. I thank them for what they did, but the areas where I'm also disappointed. Because instead of recognizing that UPC is at a position to make a difference in Uganda, some of my cabinet members spent more time quarreling with one another, fighting with one another. We are trying to deliver a message of hope for Ugandans, but we have too much time to quarrel with one another. Honestly, do we know where we are, what we're doing? The country is looking for hope. The country is looking for direction. UPC, some of our leaders want to tear ourselves apart. That's not what we're supposed to do. We're here for this election to give direction, to give hope, to bring change. I want to make it clear now, in view of what is taking place and the threat to the future of UPC, I am not in the back seat. I am taking full charge of the affairs here in Uganda headquarters, Uganda House headquarters, and I will be assigning specifically duties to the members of cabinet as we move ahead to try and redeem this party. In part of the preparation, I have had a conversation with my Secretary General And we have agreed to part ways or to move in different directions as we head towards the 2026 election. In the same vein, under the authority of the Constitution of UPC, I appointed the members of Uganda of the Party Electoral Commission. The Party Electoral Commission processes candidates for members of parliament, district chairpersons, councillors, and below. Note, from members of parliament, district chairpersons, and below. That is the role of the Party Electoral Commission appointed by myself. But I did an innovation in that I asked the names to come through the National Council. After those names came through the National Council, I appointed those members of the National Council, including its chair, Haji Kazimbiraine. I have, as of yesterday, revoked my trust and confidence in 3 members of the Commission. That is Commissioner Jack Kabusi, Magero Were, and Naomi Natukunda. I have relieved them immediately from the Party Electoral Commission for overstepping their mark. You have a role of delivering or processing party candidates for the general elections. You are now talking about things which don't concern you. Sorry, step aside, the party is going to move ahead.
The Chairman Electoral Commission of Uganda People's Congress has disqualified a presidential candidate, Denis Adim Enap, over misconduct. Adim Enap, in many occasions, wrote letters and messages, for example, that of the 20th of May, that of the 18th of July, among others, over what he called irregularities in the party electoral process, and claiming he is president elected unopposed. This was among reasons for his dismissal by Party Electoral Commission Chairman Haji Kazimbiraine Mahmoud.
Further to note, on the 20th of May, you sent a misleading bulk SMS to UPC members and members of the media, which read that, "Dear Congress, I have returned the nomination forms for the UPC presidency. According to our constitution, I am the only nominated candidate, Denis Enap." Many other messages of the same nature followed. You did not stop there. On the 18th of July, you sent yet another misleading bulk message to UPC members and members of the media, which read that, "Dear Congress, court has disqualified Jimmy Akena and declared Denis Adim Enap as president unopposed. We shall issue an official statement." Party President Enap, again signing, as an order which was not in the ruling, The ruling is here too attached for your reference. Therefore, you have grossly violated the electoral roadmap guidelines and the party constitution 2008 as amended. You are hereby disqualified forthwith as an aspiring candidate from the process of election of the UPC party president. This is to also notify you that the certificate of nomination issued to you on the 22nd of May 2025 was issued in error and contradicts Article 11 Article point 2, subsection 6, which requires that nomination of aspiring candidates for UPC party presidency is done at the district conferences, which you have not been subjected to. This is therefore to revoke, stroke rescind the nomination certificate attached. Haji Kazimbiraine Mahmoud, Chairman, Party Electoral Commission.
That was all. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching Lango News channel. Please subscribe for more updates.